Whenever we create AI images or videos using Google Gemini or Google Flow, we get a Google Gemini watermark stuck on it. And there is no way to remove it even if you are on the paid plan. But I have found a secret trick, a hidden website that removes this watermark in seconds, completely free without even installing a single software. Let me show you how. First, go to this website Gemini Watermark Remover.io. It's free and you don't even have to create an account. Here we have two options, remove the watermark from images or from videos. Let's start with images. I select this images option and upload my image. So this is the image I want to fix and you can see the Gemini watermark right here. Let me select that and upload, and within seconds the watermark is gone. Here is the before, watermark touching the leg, and here is the after, completely removed without losing any image quality. It's not blurred or patched, it's genuinely clean and we can easily download this watermark free version. Okay, now let's check the video option. This is a video I made using Google Omni. You can see the watermark at the bottom. Let me select that and click Start Local Cleanup. Now it starts remove the watermark frame by frame within seconds. We have to stay on this tab while it processes. It's done and we can run a preview. Here's the before and here is the after. Let me download the MP4 and I will show you the final result. And there it is, the watermark is completely gone. It looks so clean and nobody would guess it was made by using Google Omni. This isn't just for the Google Omni model, this works the same way for the videos made by using the Google Veo model as well. Here is a video I made with Veo and you can see the watermark on the bottom right. Let me upload it and click Start Local Cleanup. It starts removing the Veo watermark frame by frame. Here everything is processed inside our browser. That means no data goes to any server. It's completely secure. It's done. Here is a preview. No watermark at the bottom. Let me download the MP4 and here it is. Normally tools like this drastically reduce the video quality, but this one keeps it exactly the same. That's it. I will drop the website link in the video description. Check it out and let me know in the comments how this will be useful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe because I will keep bringing more useful AI tools and tutorials. See you in the next one. Thank you.